Hello students, how are you? Welcome to our English class 8, subject English for today. I hope you are hale and hearty. Think you are remaining home, assuring the rules of health and hygiene and doing your studies. Today we are going to study Unit 9, Things that have changed our life. Lesson 1, The Wheel. From this lesson, you will be able to read and understand text materials, ask and answer questions, write answers to questions, write short paragraphs. Now some keywords for you. The first keyword is wheel. A wheel is a disc or circle-shaped mechanical device. Its main purpose is to allow things to roll. In other words, the wheel spins and object on the wheels moves more easily along the ground. It is a simple machine. Wheels are often used in pairs, connected by a rod of wood or metal known as axle. Circular, having the form of a circle. Rotate, move or cause to move in a circle round an axis or center. Axis, an imaginary line about which a thing rotates. The earth revolves on its axis once every 24 hours. Vehicle, a thing used for transporting people or goods, especially on land, such as a car, lorry, or cart. Now there is a picture. What is this? A suitcase. Another picture, a rolling luggage. Now you have seen a picture of a suitcase and a picture of a rolling luggage. Which one is easier to move and why? The suitcase has no wheel, but the rolling luggage has wheels. So the rolling luggage is easier to move. Now there are some types of wheels: a front axle, center axle, rear axle. Propellers, turbines. Now you have to know about invention of wheel. The wheels are in fact everywhere. The wheel is very important. We cannot imagine modern life without wheels. Do you know exactly who made the first wheel? Evidence indicates wheels were created to serve as potter's wheels around 35,000 BC. In Mesopotamia, 300 years before someone figured out to use them for chariots. The ancient Greeks invented Western philosophy and the wheelbarrow. Now some activity, question answer. The first question is, what is wheel? The answer is, a wheel is a circular object. Second one, what can a wheel do? A wheel can rotate around its axis and help easy movement of things across a surface. The third question, where can you find wheels? We find wheels on our cars, trains, planes, wagons, and so on. Besides, there are on most factory and farm equipment. Fans, propellers, turbines are also other type of wheels. Now there are another activity. fill in the blanks. There is a passage in your textbook, Activity C, page number 106. Although the wheel is a very important invention, the history of its origin is unknown. Experts guesses that the first wheel was developed from a circular object. The early men observed that a huge piece of stone could be rolled easily if it was circular in shape. Similarly, a heavy tree trunk is heavy to carry, but it can be rolled away with less effort. Even a gigantic tree trunk can be moved easily using other small and round trunks as rollers under it. Thus, early men took advantage of rolling objects and developed the first wheel. Apart from its mechanical advantage, a wheel's mobility has contributed much to the civilization. There is a substitution table in your textbook. The answer number 1, that means the sentence number 1, the wheel has helped in rapid progress of civilization. The next sentence is, a plain wheel is one of the simplest machines. Third sentence is, it rotates around its axis. The last sentence is, a propeller is a type of wheel. There is a homework for you students. Have you ever traveled by bus or car? Do you have any experience of what happens if one wheel falls flat? If yes, give description of your experience. If no, imagine such a situation and write a paragraph on it. Thank you students. To enjoy the class, be conscious, be safe, stay at home.